In front of me is Xiaomi 15 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Now scroll again to tap on privacy controls and finally access permission manager to select any of your device's features you wish to manage. Now click on one of your apps, apply one of those options and go back. If you wish to, you can also tap on see all permissions over here and manage all of those only for a chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!